Hello everyone. Hope you all would be fine and have started calculating much faster. In this video, we will learn the -2 formula, its application on units, tens and different values while using fingers and on abacus as well. Let's start -2 formula. If we are calculating and a situation arises where we cannot directly separate 2 either on our fingers or on abacus because we don't have enough fingers or beads on abacus to separate 2 directly, then we will take help from the formula. To separate 2 indirectly, we add 3 and -5. The formula is -2 is equals to +3 -5. In this formula, -2 is our problem as we cannot directly separate 2, +3 is friend of 2 and -5 is house of 5. Why 2 and 3 are friends? Because if we add 2 and 3, they make 5 together. Let's practice application of -2 formula on units. Let's take an example. If we want to separate 2 from 6, how we will do that? First, we will place 6 on abacus. Means we will move upper bead down and one lower bead up to touch the calculation bar on units rod. Now to separate 6. As you can see in the picture, we only have one lower bead touching the calculation bar on units rod equals to 1 and upper bead equals to 5. So we cannot directly separate 2. Now to separate 2, we will add 3 and -5 according to the formula. -2 is equals to +3 -5. We will move 3 lower beads up on units rod and upper bead up away from the calculation bar on units rod to separate 2. As a result, we get 4 lower beads on units rod touching the calculation bar. So our answer would be 4. Let's take same example on our fingers as well. If we want to separate 2 from 6 on our fingers, first we will place 6 on our fingers, meaning we will open thumb and one finger on right hand. Now to separate 2, we only have one finger equals to 1 and thumb equals to 5. So we cannot directly separate 2. Now to separate 2, we will apply the formula. -2 is equals to +3 -5. So we will open 3 more fingers to add 3 and close thumb to separate 5. As a result, we get 4 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 4. So our answer would be 4. Let's take one example for the application of -2 on tens rod. The basic formula would remain the same. -2 is equals to +3 -5. As we are applying on tens rod, so we will change the values according to tens. Now the formula would be -20 is equals to +30 -50. Let's take an example. If we want to separate 20 from 50, how we will do that? First, we will place 50 on abacus. That is, we will move upper bead down on tens rod to touch the calculation bar. Now to separate 20. As you can see in the picture, we don't have 2 lower beads available touching the calculation bar to separate 20 directly. We only have upper bead on tens rod touching the calculation bar equals to 50. So we cannot directly separate 20. Now to separate 20, we will apply the formula. Formula is -20 is equals to +30 -50. Means to separate 20, first we will add 30 and -50. We will move 3 lower beads up on tens rod to touch the calculation bar and upper bead up away from the calculation bar on tens rod. As a result, we get 3 lower beads touching the calculation bar on tens rod, which represents the value 30. Let's take same example on our fingers as well. If we want to separate 20 from 50 on our fingers, first we will place 50, means we will open thumb on left hand. Now to separate 20, we don't have any fingers to close them directly. we only have thumb equals to 50, so we cannot subtract 20 directly. We will apply the formula. Formula is minus 20 is equals to plus 30 minus 50. So we will open 3 fingers on left hand and close thumb. As a result, we get 3 fingers on our left hand, which represents the value 30. So our answer would be 30. Let's take one example for different values as well. If we want to separate 27 from 69, first we will place 69 on abacus. Now to subtract 27, we don't have enough lower beads on tens rod to subtract 20 directly. So we will only apply the formula on tens rod. Formula is minus 20 is equals to plus 30 minus 50. So we will add 30 and minus 50 on tens rod and can directly subtract 7 on units rod as we have enough beads available. As a result, we get 4 beads on tens rod and 2 lower beads on units rod, which represents the value 42. Let's take same example on our fingers as well. First, we will place 69 on our hands, means thumb and 1 finger on left hand and thumb and 4 fingers on right hand. Now to subtract 27, we don't have 2 fingers available on left hand to subtract 20 directly. So we will apply the formula on tens. The formula is minus 20 is equals to plus 30 minus 50. So we will add 30 on tens, means we will open 3 more fingers on our left hand and subtract 50. Close the thumb. And we can easily subtract 7 on units as we have fingers available on right hand. As a result, we get 4 fingers on left hand and 2 fingers on right hand, which represents the value 42. Let us practice few questions of addition and subtraction by applying minus 2 formula first on our fingers. Ready? Place your hand on any flat surface and make punch before starting. First question is 9 minus 2 minus 2 again minus 2. Now to subtract, we don't have enough finger to subtract 2 directly. We will apply the formula plus 3 minus 5 plus 1. Answer 4. 0. Next question. 6 minus 2 plus 5 minus 7 minus 2. Answer 0. Next question. 3 plus 5 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Answer 4. Make 0. Next question. Next question is of tens, so we will do on our left hand. Make punch on left hand and let's start. 70 minus 10 minus 20 plus 50 minus 80. Answer 10. Next question. 50 plus 10 minus 20 minus 30 plus 60. Answer 70. Let's practice few questions of different values by applying minus 2 formula. Ready? Make punch on both hands. Let's start. 76 minus 52. Here we will apply formula of minus 2 on right hand to subtract 2 indirectly. Plus 25 minus 14 plus 50. Answer 85. 0. Next question. 79 minus 14 minus 25 plus 53 minus 42. Answer 51. Make 0 on both hands. Let's start. Next question is 96 minus 62 plus 15 minus 32 plus 51. Answer 68. 0. Next question. 31 plus 15 minus 42 plus 75 minus 12. Answer 67. 0. Last question. 21 plus 62 plus 15 minus 32 minus 21. Answer 45. Let's practice application of minus 2 on abacus. Make your abacus 0. Let's start. First question is 9 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 again. Now we will apply formula. Plus 3 minus 5 plus 1. Answer 4. 0. Next question. 6 minus 2 plus 5 minus 7 minus 2. Answer is 0. Make your abacus 0. Next question. 3 plus 5 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Answer 4. Next question. Now we will do on tens rod. Let's start. 70 minus 10 minus 20 plus 50 minus 80. Answer 10. 0. Next question. 50 plus 10 minus 20 minus 30 plus 60. Answer 70. Let's practice application of minus 2 formula on different values. Make your abacus 0. Let's start. First question is 76 minus 52. Here we will apply minus 2 formula on units rod only. Plus 25 minus 14 plus 50. Answer 85. 0. 79 minus 14 minus 25 plus 53 minus 42. Answer 51. Next question. 96 minus 62 plus 15 minus 32 plus 51. Answer 68. 0. 31 plus 15 minus 42 plus 75 minus 12. Answer 67. Last question. 21 plus 62 plus 15 minus 32 minus 21. Answer 45. 0. Thank you for watching the video. I am hopeful that the concept of minus 2 formula, its application on units, tens and different values is clear to everyone. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep practicing.